So what I have here today is a really nice set of, it's a kitchen spatula utensil set that are really nice and flexible, but still have a very strong handle from the ORO. And they actually did send these out to me for me to try out, and I wanted to share with you exactly what they come with. So this one happens to be about 9 inches, and then you have these others. These 3 are about 11 to 11 and a half inches. And this one is a 14-inch spatula made of nice material, nice and flexible. These are some that I use on a regular basis, and this is now a replacement set for me, and they work very, very well. Allow you to be able to, if you have like soups and whatnot, you're just trying to get that last bit out of the pot, and you tend to scrape the sides with any other types of utensils. You can use these and not damage your pots, because we have some very expensive pots that we use for cooking, and we don't want to cause any damage to the non-stick surfaces to our pots. So these will absolutely help you with that. They're very, very nice. Like I said, this long one allows you to get into those deep pots and be able to get and use those. This one is kind of like a spoon, and I actually even use these for peanut butter. So if you don't know, you can actually use this on a peanut butter jar. Really get all of the remnants of peanut butter out of a jar, or jelly, or anything else like that. I mean, these work out phenomenally well. And like I said, we have ours. We've had the ones that we were using for years, and that's how we know that these are really, really great quality. And I mean years, like well over 10 years we've been using them. And like I said, ORO did send these to me for me to try out, and they're absolutely fantastic quality. Thank you again. Have an absolutely fantastic day.